fuck you, Mama Webble.
So today, guys, I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut Pro features for free, completely free. Make sure to like and subscribe because I'm pretty sure someone's going to come kill me after I release this secret information.
I might swerve in that corner, whoa. Bitch, hold on tight, cause I tweak in this bitch, I letting shit go.
So basically, you do literally whatever you want to the video, literally anything, any edit, anything, and then just do it all. Finish your video completely. And then at the end, don't freaking hit export. Just freaking screen record your screen and then crop out, everything else except for your video.
Then take your screen recorded video into CapCut and then export it at 4K. You're welcome. I'm talking in AI now just to flex all the free features I'm using. Like and subscribe. Haha.